Are you tired of the 9 to 5 grind? Do you dream of financial freedom and being your own boss? What if I told you that 2025 could be the year you completely transform your life, just like I did, through the power of Shopify e-commerce? Hello everyone, and welcome. I'm your name, and for years I felt stuck in a career that didn't fulfill me. I longed for more flexibility, more income, and more control over my destiny. That's when I discovered Shopify and the incredible world of e-commerce. It wasn't easy, but with dedication and the right tools, I built a thriving online business that truly changed everything for me. Now I want to show you how you can do the same. Before Shopify, my days were filled with endless meetings, strict schedules, and a constant feeling of being undervalued. I yearned for a path where my hard work directly impacted my success, not just someone else's bottom line. The traditional work model felt like a trap, and I knew deep down there had to be another way to achieve financial independence and live life on my own terms. I spent countless hours researching, learning, and trying to find that escape route. Imagine waking up when you want, working from anywhere in the world, and building a business that truly excites you. 2025 isn't just another year. It's an opportunity to rewrite your story. With the right mindset and the powerful platform that Shopify offers, you can break free from the constraints of traditional employment and step into a future where you dictate your income and your lifestyle. This isn't just about making money. It's about building a life of purpose and freedom. Let's make 2025 your year of transformation. Now you might be thinking, e-commerce sounds complicated, I don't have any tech skills. And that's where Shopify truly shines. It's not just a platform. It's a complete ecosystem designed for entrepreneurs of all levels, especially beginners. When I started, I had minimal technical knowledge, but Shopify's intuitive design made it incredibly easy to set up and manage my store. It removes all the guesswork, allowing you to focus on what matters most, your products and your customers. One of Shopify's biggest strengths is its incredibly user-friendly interface. You don't need to be a coding genius to create a beautiful, professional-looking online store. Their drag-and-drop builder allows you to customize your site with ease, making it look exactly how you envision it. It's like building with digital Legos, simple, intuitive, and highly effective. You can literally go from zero to a stunning online storefront in just a few hours, even if you've never built a website before. Forget about needing huge upfront investments or a team of IT professionals. Shopify makes e-commerce accessible to everyone. You can start with very low overhead, often just the monthly subscription fee, and scale as your business grows. This low barrier to entry means you don't need to quit your day job immediately. You can build your business on the side, learning as you go, and transition when you're ready. It's all about empowering you to take that first step without overwhelming financial risk or needing complex technical expertise. Once you're on Shopify, the next crucial step is finding your niche and the products that will genuinely resonate with your audience. This isn't about selling everything to everyone. It's about identifying a specific problem or desire within a market and offering a solution. This focus will make your marketing efforts more effective and help you build a loyal customer base. The key is to research, understand what people are looking for, and then deliver it in a compelling way. To find your profitable niche, you need to become a detective. Look for trending products, analyze what people are searching for on Google, and explore social media to see what communities are forming around certain interests. Tools like Google Trends, Etsy, and even Amazon bestseller lists can provide invaluable insights into market demand and what's already selling. The goal isn't to reinvent the wheel, but to find a gap in the market or a way to offer something better or more unique than what's already out there. This research is foundational to your success. When it comes to sourcing products, Shopify offers incredible flexibility. You don't need a warehouse full of inventory to get started. Dropshipping allows you to sell products without holding any stock yourself. The supplier ships directly to your customer. Print-on-demand services let you create custom designs on t-shirts, mugs, and more, which are only printed when an order comes in. And if you're a creative soul, selling handmade goods is incredibly rewarding. Choose the model that best fits your lifestyle and business goals. Each option provides a unique pathway to bringing your product ideas to life without massive upfront investment. With your niche and products sorted, it's time to build your Shopify store. This is where your vision comes to life. The process is surprisingly straightforward, and I'll walk you through the essential steps to get your online storefront up and running efficiently. From selecting a theme to adding your first products, Shopify guides you every step of the way, ensuring you don't miss any critical details. Think of it as setting up your virtual storefront, clean, inviting, and ready for customers. Designing your online storefront is crucial for conversions. Your store needs to be visually appealing, easy to navigate, and instill trust in your potential customers. Focus on high-quality product images, clear product descriptions, and a consistent brand aesthetic. Shopify offers numerous free and paid themes to help you achieve a professional look. Remember, your store is your digital storefront, so make it inviting and user-friendly to encourage purchases. A well-designed store isn't just pretty, it's a powerful sales tool. Beyond the basic setup, Shopify's App Store is a treasure trove of tools that can supercharge your business. From email marketing automation to customer loyalty programs and even advanced analytics, there's an app for almost everything. These integrations allow you to streamline operations, enhance the customer experience, and boost your sales without needing to hire a full team. Think of them as your secret weapons, designed to help you run your business more efficiently and effectively. I'll share some of my favorite essential apps that have made a huge difference in my business. Having a great product and a beautiful store is only half the battle. To truly succeed, you need to drive traffic and sales. This is where effective marketing strategies come into play. You don't need a massive budget. Often, smart, targeted marketing can yield incredible results. I'll share proven methods to get eyes on your products and turn visitors into loyal customers. Marketing is how you tell the world about your amazing offer. Social media is an absolute powerhouse for driving traffic to your Shopify store, especially platforms like TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. Create engaging content that showcases your products in action, highlights their benefits, and tells your brand story. Use trending sounds and hashtags to expand your reach. Don't just sell. Connect with your audience, build a community, and turn followers into raving fans. It's about authentic engagement that leads to organic growth and sales. Beyond social media, understanding search engine optimization, or SEO, is vital. SEO helps your store rank higher in Google and other search engines when people search for products like yours. This involves using relevant keywords in your product titles and descriptions, optimizing your store's loading speed, and creating valuable content. While it sounds technical, Shopify makes it easy to implement basic SEO practices that can bring a steady stream of organic, free traffic to your store. It's about being discoverable exactly when your customers are looking for you. Once sales start rolling in, managing your e-commerce business becomes key. This involves efficient order fulfillment, top-notch customer service, and continuous optimization. Shopify provides all the tools you need to manage orders, track inventory, and communicate with your customers seamlessly. It's about building a sustainable operation that can scale as your business grows, ensuring every customer interaction is positive and reinforces their loyalty. Efficient order fulfillment is critical for customer satisfaction. Whether you're drop shipping or shipping yourself, ensure packages are sent out promptly and accurately. And speaking of satisfaction, excellent customer service is your competitive edge. Respond to inquiries quickly, resolve issues professionally, and go the extra mile. Happy customers become repeat customers and brand advocates. Shopify streamlines these processes, making it easier for you to delight your customers and build a stellar reputation. Shopify's analytics dashboard is your secret weapon for growth. Regularly review your sales data, customer behavior, and marketing campaign performance. Understanding what's working and what isn't allows you to make informed decisions to optimize your store, improve your products, and refine your marketing strategies. This continuous analysis and adaptation are what truly drive long-term success and growth in the e-commerce world. Don't just sell. Learn and evolve with your business. So there you have it. My journey with Shopify transformed my life, and I genuinely believe it can transform yours too. This isn't just about starting a business. It's about reclaiming your time, empowering your passion, and building a future on your own terms. 2025 is waiting for you to seize this incredible opportunity. Remember, Shopify makes e-commerce accessible, even if you're a complete beginner. It empowers you to find your niche, build a professional store with ease, and market your products effectively. This is your chance to step into a life of greater freedom, increased income, and complete control over your destiny. The first step is often the hardest, but with Shopify, it's incredibly simple. They offer a free trial, allowing you to explore the platform and even set up your store without any upfront commitment. Don't wait for the perfect moment. The perfect moment is now. Click the link in the description below to start your free Shopify trial today and begin your journey to a transformed 2025.